In one of our previous videos, someone commented about a production vise they saw in the background of the video. And much like you stumbled upon it in our video, I stumbled upon it at one of the trade shows. And just for you, I want to do a quick product review on the Triag mini vise. So like I said, we actually stumbled upon these at a trade show. We weren't necessarily looking for any work holding. There's a bajillion options out there. There's lots of great systems out there. And I'm not trying to convey this as being better than any of them. But we found this system to work out well. We tend to do a lot of parts, a lot of small intricate parts that you can fit in the palm of your hand. So we need something that gives us good clearance to get in and around the part. And in some cases, we want to be able to adapt multiple vices inside the machine. These vices so far have worked out great for just that. You can get a variety of different style jaws, whether they're hard jaws or soft jaws for them. The interchangeability, super simple. The carriers are super rigid. We've had good reliability on these and good repeatability, assuming you follow the torque specifications. Otherwise, they've been a great addition to the Kremin team, and we use them in just about every milling center we have here. If you want more information on the Triag products, reach out to Advanced Machining Engineering and they can get you that information. Tell them Kremin sent you. You're not gonna get a discount, but at least tell them that Kremin sent you.